I'm not a film director, but I made this movie scene. With AI. Yes, AI is powerful. Thanks to Higgsfield AI, it is even more powerful. Those who don't know Higgsfield AI, let me tell you that Higgsfield AI is one of the fastest growing generative AI platform, and in my opinion, it is the most creator friendly AI platform. The movie clip you saw in the beginning is made from the new tool launched by Higgsfield AI, which is called the Cinema Studio. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create amazing movie scenes without buying expensive cameras, lens, and knowing the in-depth complexity of the filmmaking process. You just need Higgsfield AI and Cinema Studio. Let me show you the process of filmmaking with AI. Hop onto higgsfield.ai and log into your account. The UI of the Higgsfield AI website is like this, as you can see. Here you can do multiple things like video generation, image generation, edit, and many more things. And over here you can see the new Cinema Studio. Once you clicked on it, you can see the interface is like this. There is already a high quality, ultra realistic movie scene generated with Cinema Studio playing here. How the Cinema Studio works is like this. There are two sections. One is the image section, another is the video section. You take an image and place it in the video section to make the cinematic movie scenes. The main part is the cameras and the lens simulation. You can also select the focal length. Also, you can either type a prompt to generate the image or you can upload from your computer. So let me just show you how you can create an amazing looking cinematic movie shot inside the Cinema Studio. First, I'm going to type a prompt in the image section to generate the image. By the way, I like horror movies, that's why I'm typing a horror movie themed prompt. As you can see, I'm done typing the prompt and now I'm going to select the camera from here. You can see there are lots of camera types to choose from. Then you can choose the different types of lens simulation from here. From macros to ultra wide, everything is there. You can also select the focal length from here. So I am going to select it as my personal preference and click on generate. Within seconds the image is generated and it is exactly like my prompt, as you can see. Now I am going to place it in the first frame of the video section to generate the video. I can also type some additional prompts in the video section to give it a good look. Here you can enable the audio. Yes, it also comes with integrated audio, which is a great thing. And I think Higgsfield AI is the first one to do this. And from here you can select the resolution of the video. You can select up to 4K. The batch size is how many takes it will generate when generating from the prompt, either image or the video. 1x4 generates one image or video and 4x4 generates 4 images to choose from. From here you can select the video length as well, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, as you like it. In this case, I am going to select 10 seconds. Over here you can find a cool feature which is camera movement. From here you can select different types of camera angles and how the camera moves towards the video. You can choose different options like static, zoom in, zoom out, even drone shots. Now click on generate. The video will come out in 21:9 aspect ratio. As you all know that most of the movies use this aspect ratio nowadays. After some seconds, the Cinema Studio has done generating the video. Let's see the results. The video Cinema Studio has generated feels like a real scene from a Hollywood movie. The colors, the textures, the camera movement, the results are outstanding, as you can see. Even the audio integrated with the video sounds absolutely realistic. Without owning any cameras, lenses, and even without heavy post-production, I can easily generate a movie-like scene or movie scene within seconds. The character shown in this clip is looking really realistic. I have selected the horror movie theme, and it really feels like that the scene comes from a horror movie. Now I am going to generate another video with a different prompt this time. As you can see, I have typed the prompt. Now I am going to select a lens with the IMX camera and the focal length of my choice. Now let's click on generate image. With this image, I am now going to use it as my first frame as well as my second frame to maintain that frame from the beginning to end. This time I will select the video length as 5 seconds and the video quality to 4K. Now let's click on generate and see the results. Just wow! This video Cinema Studio has generated in Higgsfield AI is all above my expectations. I never thought that I can use an AI platform to generate this kind of high resolution video. It is really a movie. Also from here you can edit the video, recreate with another prompt. You can even download the video you have generated or you can just delete it from here. Now I am going to generate another video. Type a prompt to generate the image. Select the camera, choose the different types of lens simulation, select the focal length and click on generate. The image is generated. Place it in the first frame of the video section. In this case, I am going to select 10 seconds. Now let's click on generate and see the results. That is it everyone. The results generated by Cinema Studio by Higgsfield AI is in front of you and it is amazing. It is super easy to generate a high quality movie video with different kinds of cameras, even focal length, and you can also integrate the audio with the video. It also comes with slow motion, drone shots. You can create any type of movie scenes as you like it. There are just no limitation. The sky is the limit. I'm honestly amazed by this Cinema Studio and how it creates the characters and the effects and the audio and the textures of the video. If you want to see a trailer made with Cinema Studio and if you want to create your own movie scenes with Higgsfield AI, you can check the link in the description. Thank you for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.